Hello, agus fáilte hí de seansaí mas máile seansa bháú glaciad na seanslaí is mise hiú me gile cheada agus tá mise ag seaú tíbmuí don Pink Pony Club mar nachfuirma ein ticadí le haid Chappell Roan in seachting seo agus níl ein éiad arm galandíh. Ach ar leit man seo lemhoid cóleaci, lemhoid caride ar dúspóire tá man seo le aine anig dibbar tú.
Me marú tursa mar chur James Brewer an tafod ag gláí seachtar maidin.
Brú.
Ag ggóil má caí má has copan mardit nó ní product placement é seo tá just a buin sultas má ice coffee.
Yeah, I'm just cóclaachtaí leis. It's just an rud amháin at my Gary Yanu gan am seár mágin. Agus cantín rud amháin tá Gary Yanu gan am seár mágin tá seo fásta le James óhlairta James Jimmer tú.
Gorma, I'd say tún sa internet a gur mai an Tom seár mágin.
Heyo.
Ní chum aon brew at 7:30 imagine. Thug my time slots agus we agreed at 7:30. There was no brew involved, and even the idea of aon brew.
No.
It's all at our own discretion.
For fun.
Other than that, yeah, grand. The positive toss I think you're fucking whole wrong una. So that was 5 hours of me just splurging shite a dinny. Like, so then tauchi fucked.
Tá ná bhfuil banistóir bí leat a géisi lei seo.
Come on.
I was going to say, Gavin, your Swedish shows draw. Well, I mean, did you break clachty though, le ve splurge although the wear an podcast to like in ish to bed you're like there were to in pasha shively in the honey ve to my I can't shite but in ish the wear an elun chiggers and train all worth to linea bed you go to these fair yeah.
Yeah.
Gur pro splurger in issue.
Yeah, I know it's pro splurger if you leave on them, in fairness.
I was going to say, and fairly stop. Who's that?
Fucking
splurge.
You said me give you harder and fucking splurge since you're just a Cora. You said my mission do that and this do that.
Yeah, that's a dirty day.
This is a dirty a goni. Yeah.
One would few out who said you get.
Need some because actually she's not here to leave do some that.
Do sad in shin for kind of more arrogant to caillou bejer dol ma her shopping spree no.
Oh yeah.
So splurge.
Yeah.
Splurge all
arrogant. More. Shite off.
They barely dare hang it out so forgive us.
Yeah, my draw clack yeah. How you say como se dice?
How do you say?
Kento in your ha. But close to your ras splurge all like which I don't know kind of felt chin or you know to word vomit is probably possibility to too much. And then to the allegrafela is like splurge, but Gary makes me sure getting off shower mod. So
well, it's not going to shaft because you've got clue Amson is getting the great Rajan. So
oh yeah, that be girl farms for shin James. Nah, Jensen Lumpson. Not don't test me, bitch. Mar Dirch Ban when it chat is very hard. Not me, bitch. There's Chappell Roan, ag the VMAs and everything. Scartory, but she in Maraclia in March. Agus bhí cé gur nachró ein ticket ag aon duine tháinig mar muiscéaltaí agus mo TikTok fecinn ahan darna fí an bhí se angle difriúil do Chappell Roan is tí san Olympia an taig here an agus sin ar dasca sibh TikTok and Instagram. Beidir go gur tíh ní different TikTok agus Instagram.
Mar dúirt mé leanaí seachtar maidin tá ní ro deis go marc ar Instagram ar maidin ach fecum na influencers an like connie tá PJ Kirby and Sean yeah couple of dinner ahanta I suppose connie me a bhí an
Jenna Ortega
go Jenna Ortega an sin an dara ceolchoirm an iscoil sin golthaige in éireann mar bhí si ag Nelly Furtado Forbidden Fruit cumai but tá si tafan an seo bhfuil
Tá si go bur scanan ní chuing céin scanan sin go se like John Frankenstein or sin
actually Wednesday I have
Wednesday
yeah
you go friggin' fog sin the tickets go éiranna ha go fucking éiranna go go brand new Hall of fuck America sin
so ship sé gurí bheith an ceolchoirm seo
yeah obviously well Misha obviously because it's fair it's bralum a hand le ceolchoirm whatever Vima so and Rudla like la Chappell Roan whatever like the tumble on I think like couple me on their walding you do whatever And I was like, okay, right, Oíche Chultúir, whatever. This much an album. I was like, that was pretty good. Like, Vision Cartel or whatever. And I think we were like really excited for you. And then Chappell Roan like just near where my rash lay shirt lay. And um we Hannah gigs to us, whatever. And then I think Marial Gorosh a whole Jacker the ticket L Shin and five of you on them where it was like it almost like bred the excitement because we could not roll to an dull like or V2 it Gary Era at the end of all I guess near not at Harlow it was almost like the tension was building and building and building whatever so she didn't grow like in hype just mental like when she she's and yeah the Carlum ag QL or like in triolog the veon agus when my she's in la agus be like postery a bhí genta ag daoine Chappell ar an Olympia agus like daoine ag seaú le signs being like ag glár ticketí a chat like
In a rud, tá sí bhd rohúir don Olympia is nó bhfuil?
Yeah, but Tarlíonn seo gcónaí ar a dhéanaid giganíní slú agus tá siad like is tísa like bhí ag caiileú na a bhíon airing na bhí Lady Gaga sa marquee a Gorky like i dhéhlas an lí which is gas like Sauli a bheith sin or whatever like it's just like it mental to meet you like grow to grocery season charmer shot like better yeah vida than you agus it's like arena tour or nothing so I'd say go me I'd say in Kether out she rationing Beisha the 3 arena but we should already we are who upgraded a new Hannah like that was already an upgrade but she announced face an academy
it's upgrade more glorious and we're an academy go bida
yeah Hannah fi Lizzo's an academy harfan am vi she a gear more faster
vi Ed Sheeran sa Roisin do for kunni €6
oh my god
agus é gearí cáiliúil now many moons ago but
was that cool like if it the ceolchoirm sin riving means it absolutely huge though
yeah
yeah it's a raw we miss it out and do
yeah even the concha like a raid like was it really cool like obviously it's just in the Wadney shore and that was just 3 arena no
yeah
so na bhíomh but the fall experience especially Wadney's like intimately so there's a Wadney's gesture like more ceolchoirm like but
yeah well it's like an area like the Noah Khan is this national stadium like it's in like míle cuigcéad thing ceapam agus an sin like trí bhíation bhí se ag bhí se these 3 arena
okay so do it a national stadium
yeah as in like an actually boxing like in Malaclia
oh my god okay
headlining anywhere éile smó sa tír sa gine
chuim se ads TikTok go ceolchoirm mégan atá go bheith is a national arena agus you like oh this is a scam because ní the raw a Viva New Crow Park national stadium you're like obviously just fucking scam it all like who'd fall for that you like I wouldn't mind but I'd love to like it
well it's fear at it's fear
okay
see
come actually check on this come check out TikTok and look at these oh what a freaking
oh sure like, yeah whatever
yeah sure Bishop's National Stadium at least give the name gun freaking National Stadium yeah so that's on me
Amal and the Sniffers but anything I think we think or the Stadium Panto
which before tickets they do leap
huh
oh yeah well Kenner was got her jail was there jail in you oh my god
good you as Kenner over my she or start or
July
no Connie me Hannah ag electric picnic agus vi go mai but ní god do eáil ríis forget me just ní roí go dochreite sin gomé gurí go ríis
tu si bevrálam si a chorlá bil
I know really láharta we get it
well this is just going to take the horse to the Van Kayla that's fine do you know what I mean like
ní samnis tá cinná scoil sa gampa méall tá chuigan a bhíráil towards Sabrina Carpenter is
oh my god James
oh my god
Ort can hang around in it
oh cute sin roi yakar le margin man
gun to your head and cave around now Ryan offa.
Oh, hééis na VMAs is dí. I think gach má gal Sabrina Carpenter.
Listen,
I
like,
know.
you do you, man.
Sacrilege. I know.
Sacrilegious murder Homer Simpson. But
Oh,
I see bread at my whole broke. Shouldn't fight. Like
Inné Oasis tickets again.
oh, stopped my still like ugh. Sure, sweet you can't fire Eekman Ergish. No, to my red Seanish, but like mbliana sugar like worth every penny given it. But Tá sé bhí sé just thuchas agus na just completely bankrupt inis. Tá ceáid is a bhád is rád rá casach inis. It's just
Tá cai bhaim sure ag géirí just rug here and it's just not.
Hey, it really is.
Tá sé cos le bheith do golfer nuair dige.
I've been priced out of the game. I think sin to nétarú. Ca him an setá the gal higgin na open mics is really immersion in inis. I think that's just sin le a fixel. Cema eáil daoine atá seatsmáid mé sé absolútely shite. But just le LP a ceol beá imó seal. Because they're just crazy, like they're absolutely tapped.
Hot take ní like sim dal aide gom dul hi ceolchoirm Chappell Roan like
Really?
no sílam go si ro oversaturated agus go or an siki cloiste gom an ommercur a hanúir chum an radiosúil cloisiim sin agus tá mé tsinde finám seo agus ní sílam gur fléimmu seo go seachú ní mai le héin an gohfuil si cáún is.
Yeah.
So just ní haúin go meic like na vibes is fear teachú hí as í beir státe nílas gom.
I don't know how much the Fishni is like it's like a proper like show or whatever. I think it's Tasha are those like and support act. I mean, it's not Bonnie Hill, it's drag queens. I mean, so then being like like genital like drag show on whatever line support agus Arkansas gas agus and shin to like the meal like outfit changes agus like like salts agus fucking like doses with machine like choreographies whatever or we can show.
I'm just urging shite so
yeah no
imagine
no but I think that'd be fair enough though like listen would like let their fact through their cluster and thingy care and tamer fod or and I'm intimately aware of their eclipse to the R and care on radio and tamer fod
Sabrina Carpenter sorry
again it's all good. Gachú Sabrina bheith mo chúis. It's all okay.
James Agurk on the VMA is on mute. Just like a whole
Hé áan de cíéis?
I chur éig ar a scór an alien sin a
bhí Scotland.
In fairness though, bhach me se body Chappell Roan do ticket on.
Oh yeah, like
that was so good about it. Bach me se bally.
Yeah, wacht though. I think we need some 3 euros, but yeah, well, 3 euros of pops.
But ní maiile an tórn se a bhfuil an síos. You know, near bhfuil an síos.
Oh, good luck, babe.
Oh, good luck.
Actually, kind of like bhfuil tú a fall wash or something near bhfuil an síos. It's like, is this what it feels like to die?
No, it's mad of that because it's kind of it's sad vibes.
It's triggering Northern. I don't know.
Tasha sad vibes, in fairness. But I will say vi tahi mar shin ogamsa sin Olympia hanning mis Fred again is the shin like mbliana gur fleisk sha agus for a man ticket like earn la and it was Jericho with Kierna where it was like the tension agus like road to one ticket L whatever agus from a gleach like oh Strancher like Pedro like we like ribbon cake being like to take it ogum ditch like must want to call like her FaceTime call ogum to be like I'm not a bot like with the Gary gig and I was like yeah absolutely so take him and flag grow thingy Gary like the demand was so high or whatever because especially in their nachwal shot to an on the L you know
Dini Gary and Rod Knocked Glow Vacu.
Exactly. You can't always get what you want, Murder. It's the Stones. But if you try sometimes, you get what you need.
Except in this case.
Except actually, yeah, not me wine to.
A bhí go leor tionchairí a fuair ticket agus just láithreach chuir siad videos an airde ará look, don't at me, like
PJ
take go
Kirby.
méid tú crosta bhí seo. Bhí coppla duine as chuir siad an airde é because inné an I suppose bulíocht a fuair chuide acu maidir le Coldplay. Bhíorú just ag chur mahan sin solowaki daoine iad ag an dulcrum. It was like, here's my
No, by the way, the shot Harley.
black leis and
Yeah.
shut up.
A ceach é mochas acu an difracht idir ceach é mochas acu an difracht idir gohir se tíar neisce agus má bhí si i ciúáil agus i cheannacht.
sé sort solir tá grúpa mór chu agus degrachar an siad le chéile iad.
Yeah.
Agus bheith si de chur an airde má mór stuff le margaíochttaí anúair an ócáid nuirtá si da and seans go múlach siad le hí na himeachta and just be I don't know, bhí is agat, bín si de taigal na haní faoi lei and
No, okay.
Like tag out like the labels.
yeah, beidir ghaid siad ceamd on the balconies or
Mhm.
I mean for Jen Ortega.
Balcony, yeah.
The gléintúir sin, is balconies iad, yeah.
And the box seats.
Well, in fairness, though,
box
I know
seats.
go dús me go bhceacha Junior take a brand new Chappell Roan Hall America should be, but ní roch tú mór an like tá cólachtú má a dice dad agus má a zeise a thus go aon duine amach na daoine tá ráte. I think good to be Jen Ortega. I think could be ní smooth go pipejochtú, so it's like in fairness.
Ach níró sé, I suppose subtler churbe, bhí si ceam na box seats ach níró mar an daoine lehí. So ma
Yeah.
mé bheith, you know, under the radar as a bhólach. Níl tú go bheith má híonn tú an sin. Tá seans níos fearr agat má híonn tú sta slú agus capí na chuirt. Like bhí sé an solir gur éis bhí an.
Tarlíonn sin gomininic dó like san Olympia na síhan sin whole facula is féidir le ahaing í decal. Agus tá agam sa seo margur sí mise is na síhan sin le ha Shane Todd from a ticketí leis an obair. Agus ní rosam sa gros chuna bhéistí sa boxa agus just searched what he called or why that chatty and gig and I was like yeah, absolutely whatever like ní mé aglavíon leis tá Joe agus símas tí sa boxa agus fecin na méid text ní bhfuirma ó muid chuirde like a bhí in sin fásta because literally le ahaing tú a eáil and it was like literally and the slagging a wee how's your majesty looking down on your you know like
Níl cad go rud a bhí jaasama agad sa tíir
no.
seo.
But I read this massa and I've ten fear of going to me true Seanish, but like for my text over like much courage because we should see like it's in the stalls, it's in Olympia. I can start my sheets like that honey deck or whatever. Because they're hunting me at Hostima Genu like the royal wave. But then I'm like, wait, Tadiki got to be on nach Willasaku go Willasaku.
Dirty sheet. Is that fella from Jordan?
What a fucking prick.
No, I sin be daoine an nach bhá go céici was was like a rá. Jeez, ní ras am grá the fucking Prince of Norway is just a fucking náte nacht.
She could just monocle.
Oh.
Like,
Richard I should have done that. Oh yes, or the little binoculars. The can oh, good show. Bravo.
What's that like? What's that news like Jen Ortega who's a chin like? Okay, fair, Brown to Susan's factory.
Yeah.
I like that huge she might more. Now not to like straight away.
I probably
she on
yeah.
I don't know.
Data she sure Harris much street in you Maraclia agus ní bh fucking clue on.
See, Rod Lumpsa is that I don't think Sula Eka, and I think it would be almost like we're gonna ban Costello, you're one from West.
Yeah, she literally caiú édi arcan Costello Wednesday.
Yeah.
Like she caiú léin a ban and then Ganzi d'urcha Harris. But bhí si Jenny sort go wallach tá si ar cool camp in the pillars get a book. But the dini just zoom mal
yeah. No, the fair a bit like a Heidel whatever. Like the Stacey box like Tessic having go to Stacey box like the Kevin the Tilda Swinton that's good Nashtar or Shin as album bhí se agus feck céhíon, but bhí siad ag Young Fathers in Olympia blianttí whatever, and it was literally like what the hell, like I think like he was the end jaw like so agus Michael Shannon, but so yeah, no, there's no point in trying to hide it. Kind of just
and tain claim to fame equivalumsa ceolchoirm like duna cáiliú le eáil na Mary Lou McDonald ag One Direction
what?
Jake hug she inning seki.
Oh, okay. I can't mention that you meant like she was doing the support act. Like it was like, 1D featuring Mary Lou.
No, sin bailach le hí an
And Tisa
ortíoch nach ba.
Yeah.
Just get the 1Ders look here.
Yeah. Harry Styles said Chucky Arla. Sorry. Should go gas like so Ruth can't like or did you just like spot her?
Yeah,
like,
one would let here in Styre as normally.
That's so
Well,
funny.
tá aithne ag máthair mo colcathair arthaí, so
Oh.
it's like, hi, you're she looking at shows. We should just chill like páiste cúig bliain díos.
Should cute in fairness.
Yeah.
So basically Mary Lou McDonald like One Direction gCapaillíní because there's no chance
Go ahead.
I think later go
5-year-old
Oran.
mega fan go One Direction.
Sauli Swali like
Baby,
we danced all night to the best song ever.
Just he is Jerry Adams. It's just a gish nach a raw. I will let these little things slip.
Acoustic. Just a little lighter, like.
Oh
Yeah,
my
just
God.
like you can't go to bed without your
Without it.
cup of tea.
Delighted go Sean Yaton is sing song One Direction.
I'm not, to be honest. Well, I claim to fame agus James the thing to fechu go the ceolchoirm. Ní bhíonn tú really ceolchoirm though, to be honest.
Be make greens, but you can fucking sorry like.
Like doing a ceisceir mar seo, bhfuil daon na cáil feice go sa gym.
Oh yeah.
Vima, Jim. No, it's just Peldori like so. Yeah.
As in
Counts.
Pellar in the
Yeah,
Gaelic.
Peldori Gaelach like so.
Yeah. Bhí Kendrick Lamar's a fly fit she's a mohars mahaksa. That's like the no that V genuinely
Really?
no V yeah. No, apparently like change a shot of fly fit Anna or tour like chimple like ndúnann like whatever like shouldn't like could be gym membership thing yeah. Agus vi just scale on of like a lad shot genu weights. I heard the cashier Russia Gary Spottal and it was Kendrick Lamar and he was like what the fuck like to see any job it was like a shareholder margin like ribbon gig of Vegas at 3 Arena which is
Random.
Very fair. Vima's just got a rug room as a Jim Lahanas, Chapman Gakma, Michael Dermagoli, but other than that, yeah. Vima got to go Suzik is raw. Queen Malat Misha, Vima's give me basketball here and they're like shady, get a garua. We do stands are great. So that was kind of as much as it goes. Speaking of Kendrick Lamar, the Kendrick Lamar got a Casa a Super Bowl.
Bay, Kincha, yes,
Oh,
absolutely.
you're
Yeah,
awesome.
Bishop more.
Yeah, droch time good Drake, man.
I was gonna say, so there we tweet on, and it was like, imagine getting an announcement that everyone was going to call you a pedophile in 6 months' time, or the mission or whatever. Like it's just gonna be,
Oh man.
Bishop crazy, like Bishop absolutely mental.
A bhí kunspóid leis dó méall hí chola cepa go Little Wayne bhán méall gohfuil se I Louisiana.
Yeah.
But then fuck se Kendrick Lamar.
Agus Neil Lil Wayne Sasta.
No.
Neil Wayne book Sasta.
Will Dini Sasta, will an pobl Sasta go gin around.
Well, yeah, the Kendrick Lamar huge like Lil Wayne agus stoi Dini way New Orleans like New Orleans. Most like isú le Lil Wayne dhéanam mé all go bit áit,
Yeah.
so.
And take him shin. But cé go fadas will Kendrick Lamar hart, mar nach Milo Dini fiocu tá hart le literally like truck a blian gomininic.
What Lil
But
Wayne
first
hard
Kendrick
chip
Lamar-
like Kendrick. What?
Ro Kendrick Lamar páirteach sa ceann in LA.
And Russia sister. Bhí sé mar
Russia-
parts da, yeah, bhí sé
Yeah,
bring
Sean and Dr.
sé
Dre nach ra.
bring sé like
Oh, yeah.
3 hour I think mission. Yeah, ring
Yeah,
shot.
let Dr. Dre nach bad. We like
Yeah.
Dr. Dre, Snoop Dogg, 50 Cent. Yeah.
50 Cent bonus skin is these
Yeah. Nu vi rá go actually go
Heads or tails?
ag fáil lag mé gur
Yeah.
se an chofáda. Yeah.
It was so funny. Fi such an cogáwer. 50 Cent hilarious. That's my hot take. Listen.
Yeah. Like go ask Kendrick Lamar ag Super Bowl, like obviously been Super Bowl class anyways. That back like Keita ag le hama, but like be se unbelievable mé like is sin ceol a víns na imí géisioach le frisin, so I say mé FOMO mental sin agus is just a dressing room agus it just fan nach lein down the last day. So definitely be cean go the kickers I mo ríist ag brandú show shop bill Hall I think a LA on the Dr. Dre's on it's in the LA Rams agus in Cincinnati Bengals the kicker as Cincinnati which is just a motor park, so just ditch your shot on halftime team talk agus Shamach agus just brand shot is on road,
which
Class.
fair.
yes
So fair. No be exú go mór leis so listen ní bhé téile feáil.
well be Super Bowl Shanghai in nacht technically
Yeah.
ich halter
I was gonna say I don't know and near how you go well in Halter is go Super Bowl Jearmar ginna, but
A sé níos
I
fearr.
Tá
Sin
sin
difriúlt.
fair. Be seo the head Halter in Monaco, James.
yeah it's to be honest with them chéadú ví some great halter even on
Really?
Tá íáiltar ionta an gáú cin ná ros go faoi.
I'll probably be growing na ruddy, but I didn't really understand good but yearly rud. I thought it was just,
Oh no, to anal bíon.
yeah.
Lachan siad sellh ar na sráidení gáú, like bí Middle Street just lán le síimseocht éagsú, like bogan tú éidir tá den an dasan an chanos hús ar barrels and then bogan tú éidir eile agus tá brass band a casú and tá just do creite siúil tríd na sráidení a garcar 100.
Jen should like
Yeah.
aerial gymnastics lair temple bar like so like basically being like crane like a lair and caher or whatever and just thinking like ropa just like going up and down like in
Okay,
power
fine, níl sin ó gine gáú.
Okay, but like ta budget a wadis mo
Kifo a god living in the Stone Age.
oh my lord.
Oh,
We all get
jeez.
gold plated tickets.
We all get top hats as in our party bags.
Okay, let's not trigger. I don't want to be triggered with top hats. Feel her, please.
The kid that should go like it. Kids should go like it.
Well,
Amazing.
bei mis ag obair ach tá mé déanana copplarrod a bheith jazz agus simú so ní me rócross da faoi. Bei mé cartús le mí cultúr híos ag gon chlár mar bei sort ceardlann scéalaíocht arsúil agus nation bei me Jeffrey Seuss gotí an spidal mar go mé sédan siocháin arsúil agus is sort singsong de fáistí óga é ar an géimh ar an spidal so bei sin ionta cute as an sin. Tá mé gurí ceola chaú so dearhan gurí meisteach go tícóí iné sin le coppla túna chaú mar ní lá mar bí níos fearla túúns a chaú ná íthe cultúr.
Hook as cultured as you can possibly be.
Exactly.
Mars Heart. Tan major stuff for sure is the in Monaco the new stuff like new Aberoran like I had like earsmul and Oscar to land in the Driglan gonna be Oscar to reading la James must point that just get absolutely langered so
Oh yeah.
so they're then change shot Haig and Chonradh la high Gilgary's courage shouldn't have time with her or an himeachtaí or an culture must my lot to gal shot.
Don't we should go like symphony band.
Oh, unreal.
Guinness Storehouse.
Oh, cool.
Gas. Oh yes, for the ticket to high shot.
Yeah, just hold the mission Guinness.
Will tú dul le taon James nó bhfuil tú dul ar chuinú bug?
Níl sad.
All right.
Enough said.
You know, in my mysterious phase of show more likely needs to get the Kim Hain folks.
Never heard that one before, would you?
We know.
Sharon sé mysterious and then tour like fianta dó as intro sé 100 dit.
Huipse nach go fucking holland ní mar casa fucking ní mar casa Jimmy Forrick Ned he's a gaungeal agus mar rá Jimmy tá mar go fucking
James an céad agran den fod girl seo dunis tú 100 ar
Yeah, I know. Na bhí mu a chéad ar fear blian. Agus nu tá dun agan seo dun dermod community géisi.
Dar go actual listenership again.
Shy and I, where it's like, oh, like the Majinga just dip on Sultan crack and like having the laugh, whatever, and it's like, oh wait, fun second.
An radio mar géine durin tú Rutherby mar ní ecin tú an lucht éisteachta.
Yeah,
Dun tú dar
definitely.
go si dam. Yeah, tá muidir brisú an fourth wall fi láthair.
Yeah.
Tá se bhain sin, tá muidir leir go dúach live.
I know you're there.
Ecin mu tú.
Bei couple himeachtaí ar siúl sa club ar gClub. It's áraní na globe ag go háachtalog agus sin in gran Chappell ag lehéanlí. So then so bheith an má actually be gailgarí má an so cabbíúir tá sibh timppel má tá sibh himeachtaí a má agus tá sibh géirí smuitiú ré nesledal den Chonradh's place to be ar gClub. Chonradh's place to be a hanige so
Yeah, agus níl mar
Well, if I seachtain on it.
seachtain fáca go bh
yeah.
le so get in there ihe cultúir is bíag ihe do chreite got.
Big sport sprí agah.
Agus sin tá an deide ré éh an saharing frisin. Yeah.
I made you on, James.
Format ticket, yeah. Tá ma train le gorca to saharing, but be man sus agus I might make a late appearance.
Oh yeah.
Ag you
Tá mis se like club out like an ihe dhearnach grom in sin bhí mégur sin sláán leis a glob.
Anna. I guess you can
Or me ma haide, you know, tá ma réis ag glum fáach trí blion Katie Ellen sin.
Chuck the reach. Chuck the Swisser just a her.
I don't know.
An fé seachú I'd say an ichi televis me sean.
Seans ná rahí me.
I'd say go racham se.
But Michelle on kosher more or in lesson. You won't be able to get me out like by my literally in reading life.
No, sinna fé 8 nach ba.
Should have off yeah.
Yeah.
Can you remember what train like Gorky James?
And the sound shot like
Yeah.
Kenur.
Yeah.
It's on hinge in 3 I think.
Okay. We gotta figure out my room out with the she Bellas Athlone. Right. On radio. We got a rash clear.
You were iRadio a han sahar no hing ceair.
Okay. Well, freshen I think what are mappa éing healtas Nima go chrí that alone.
That's all
whatsoever.
That's all the same basically. No, well, basically. And that's what you give Gary Jenny plan all the Jerry shot to give Brad like which is here. Gur mí máis bhéh an chat be me ráisiú le aganúir an chat showing acadítion is feeling much amsú na man hosta ar seansaí ar Instagram, seansaí ar Twitter agus seansaí ar YouTube. Mas a Gary Anya amsú man hosta that she more anywhere Instagram, anywhere Twitter agus anywhere ar TikTok. Mas a Gary James amsú man hosta that more flyer tack ar Instagram, flyer tack ar Twitter agus flyer tack ar TikTok. As mas a Gary Mahane amsú man hosta that more Hugh Carr here Instagram, Hugh Carr your Twitter agus just gra Hugh Carr ar TikTok. Well later that like gamage flagalnish. So le chum críoch le seo.
Ihe cultúir gur tú síla go tú aber sin ríis.
Gailgarí sa club chun gaig agus áraní na glob darse ag seach áraní glob go hácht gailgarí ag lehanlí so bíí an bíí gailach bíí ag fucking dausa man we're gonna
Bíí cultúrthe.
Bíí cultúre cultúre man is bralam cultúr. Tá go húnta tá go háhá. Gary, I'm getting too dubbed. Come on, Masha.
Arlí sin tappa fad hin.
Oh, okay. Wow. All right. But he's on Jerry Shot, because maybe you can't have a reach, can will. So,
Fun.